How does Python installation enable cross-platform compatibility? Imagine writing a piece of code once and having it work perfectly on a Windows computer, a Mac, or a Linux system without changing a single line. That's exactly what Python's design makes possible. When you install Python, you're not just getting a program for one operating system. You're installing a universal interpreter that understands Python code on many different platforms. This interpreter is the core part of Python's programming engine. It reads your code and executes it, no matter if you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Along with the interpreter, the installation includes a standard library filled with modules written in Python and some in platform-specific code. These modules give you tools that work the same way across all systems. So, whether you're using a Windows machine or a Mac, your code can call the same functions and use the same modules. The installation files are made for each operating system but aim to deliver the same core experience. For example, on Windows, you get an installer that sets everything up and adds environment variables. On Linux, Python might already be pre-installed or installed through a package manager. On macOS, you can use installers or tools like Homebrew. Despite these differences, once installed, Python behaves consistently across all these platforms. It manages platform-specific details internally, like paths and dependencies, so you don't have to worry about them. For example, on Windows, Python uses configuration files and registry settings to find its libraries. On Linux, it relies on standard file system locations. These internal mechanisms make sure your code runs smoothly everywhere. Python also supports platform compatibility tags in its packaging system. These tags help identify which packages and extensions work on which operating systems and Python versions. When you install third-party packages, these tags ensure you get the right versions for your system. Once Python is set up on your computer, you can write code that is largely platform-independent. Developers use frameworks like Kiwi, Beware, or PyQt to build applications that run on many operating systems without rewriting code. In short, Python's installation process and its design make it easy to run the same code on different operating systems. It provides a consistent interpreter, manages platform-specific details behind the scenes, and supports a packaging system that respects differences. This setup allows programmers to write once and run anywhere, which is a key part of Python's core principles.